Hello everyone, day 12 today for the flat belly challenge. Let's begin. I am 66 years old with rheumatoid arthritis illness, and I'm doing this challenge not only for my belly. Let's switch. Yay! We're done. Thank you so much for watching. See you again tomorrow.